emidlalweni.
Abasebenzi bekhaya labadala bakhala ezimantshiyane ngempatho ngakwaba sele boluphele ngelixa isakhiwo senkuntyula yemali sikhala ibhungane.
The reason king was what was the main purpose of that house that thing should be built.
The department started releasing funds. Those funds, they were released on the name of go take care of the elderly people.
The very municipality that has implemented this project is unable to give us the necessary occupancy certificate.
Imuhlakeng yilokishi ezinze eRandfontein entshona Randi kwiphondo iGauteng. Iinkonde neenkondekazi nolutsha baqhubeka nomsebenzi wabo wemihla ngemihla. Kodwa ngaphakathi kwelokishi sisakhiwo esikumgangatho ophezulu esixabisa izigidi ngezigidi zeerandi.
Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu coming to this old age home. We are here, the old age home states we need to take care of the elderly people. I will tell you fearlessly so. Akuna any single beneficiary like your elder or ugogo noma umkhulu ohlala la. I get paid monthly. The money that I get paid from, it's from the money that was meant to take care of the beneficiary.
Esisakhiwo sasisakhelwa abantu asele boluphele siqale ukwakhiwa ngo-2010 sagqitywa ngo-2012. Kodwa ukuzawuthi ga ngoku akukho namnye umntu ohlala kuso nangona imali yaso ukhutshwa rhoqo ngenyanga. Ukufika kwethu sifumanise ukuba kuyalungiswa. Sathi nqa ukuba ingaba kulungiswa ntoni kuba akukho mntu wakhe wahlala apha okoko sathi sakhiwa kwiminyaka eli10 egqithileyo.
The roof leaks, it kills the ceiling, it kills the furniture, the tile. Those were common renovations that happens yearly. Aircons, tiles, ceiling, painting. Those were common things that are happening yearly. What I've experienced with 2019 till now, the carports, generators, again painting, aircons and all that were part of the renovations. We have also a disposable area that is being built this year. We've got the lights, pole lights that were installed this year. There's a lot of construction that's happening. And when I asked, the response was that, nah, it's a renovation. You cannot tell me building is a renovation. Nah, maybe painting, yeah, we can declare that as a renovation. But starting afresh, I don't know the plan, the organizational plan.
U-Aubrey litsha-ntliziyo lasekuhlaleni ube ngumsebenzi kuso ukususela ngo-2019.
2012, the contractor was done. And then I don't know who signed what, but the department started releasing funds. Those funds, they were released on the name of go take care of the elderly people. From 2012 till today, we are receiving funds. They fluctuate from 1.9 million, 2 million, they fluctuate, but we never received less than $1 million. There were board members, mentors from 2012 till now. Now currently we are under administration. I could tell you I'm scared. The reason I called you is that this year I'm putting my head on the block to say enough is enough. The elders, they deserve this. We know what they did for us during the difficult times of apartheid and all that. They should be here enjoying their sweat. We have this freedom because of them. Now, as we are under administration, the administrator helped us a lot to actually fix some of the things in terms of meeting the compliance. Till today, I'm getting paid. I got paid last month, but still,
Amagumbi asetyenziselwa iindibano, kukho nalawo abucala, izitulo zabangakwazi ukuzihambela, izixhobo zonyango njalo njalo. Abasebenzi bavuka baphathelele ukuya enkomeni beya kuqinisekisa ukuba eli ziko licocekile nomphandle walo ugcinwa ucocekile kananjalo.
I'm a resident here, I live with these elders. I can attest abogogo they will do with this place. It's COVID. We've seen how COVID terrorized abantu abadala. We have every resources that we can actually make the living conditions of our abogogo better. But till today, I think now it's a norm that we see what our government is doing. It's a trend of maladministration, fraud, corruption, whistleblowers being killed. But we see what we voted for. But I think with us growing, the more we grow, we see these things, the more we can actually act on them.
Le ngwevu ina-76 iminyaka ubudala, yenye yabantu abadala kule lokishi. Ithi ibingaxhamla kweli ziko nanjengoko ihlala yodwa ekhayeni layo.
10 years. Batho ba modimo e pleke le na le metlholo ile man it's a rave honor man
and o feel gore ke pleke le gore o ka benefit ka
sentle fele
how so
o sentle fele e sexy ina le gotle yana e duletse ke twice ile di tšhelete tsa rona ke twice is it twice ntlele wena a to psychological ya gago wena o pleke ya gilwe e ya getse boma old age rona bontate tsontse re ngwala 4 da no tsontse re ngwala 4 ko tavern.
Ukholelwa ekubeni ebezawuziva ngcono kwiintlungu ezimtyayo ezibangelwa ngumhlaza ukuba ubephansi kohoyo kweli ziko labadala.
Ke fetso tsoga no 7 years cancer flat ke saji asikho lo scarf ka be ke apelwa daso ke etsetswaele ke deng ke tlhatswetswa daso ke treitelwa daso ke ya doctoring di nga ga ibile di teng da di ka ya re di bone da a gona ntho re bonang e ke ntho e suitable ya da plek what is suitable there as a human being what is a plek le etsa gore motho a kene politiking a sa ikemisetsa ka politiki.
Ugxa wakhe ukholelwa ekubeni urhulumente ubalahle kwesinomhlwa.
Ya man ke bothata re sokola ka yone ya government re file nyana dara mo bophelo tse ya go pele nyana la tsere sokola holla ho re thusa sepe re ile too much re sokotse ai ntsere ya dara mo raphila.
Utsho esithi eliziko beliza kuba lulutho kugxa wakhe xa impilo yakhe inkenenkene.
Kuhlele isikhathi esingade besize always benjika la kuye tholelele so man taramonyana taramu uvukile nyana taramu akufani manje ya ngabe ivulike taramu ya unabasize bezosizwa manje mavuka ekuseni kufuneka asiphekele ucleaner kunzima nyana kunzima ufuna into yena ukuthuma umntwana uyasokola nyana last uthube umntwana umthengele isonka uhamba ngemali yakhe uyabona ya ngabe se all age mhlambe ngabe ku right nyana phakathi you get everything basokhulile man kuba nzima man.
Do you feel that government has failed you as elderly people?
Kufela yalo yes futhi
Nanjengoko iprototype 20 ixabise izigidi ngezigidi zeerandi ukwakhiwa, kumgama ongama500 emitara kukho iziko labadala iMuhlakeng Old Age Home nebonakala ijamelene nothotho lwemicelimngeni ekhokhelele ekubeni kunqunyanyiswe abasebenzi.
Sisuspendele lo nto leyo kumisa TV. Lo mama lo akana khefu abantu abadala othatha ii-ID zabo neekhadi zabo bekegqiba athi banika i-10%, akabaniki 10%, abanika boma-70 rand, 105, ukhabona 115, uyabarobha nje and akabathengeli ukudla okurayithi.
Ogogo abadla ukudla okurayithi, i-dietitian ayabo ayikho alright, you understand. Kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi badla isopho iveki lonke, i-tin fish iveki lonke, and babalethela ukutya oku-expirileyo, bona bathatha lo kutya okurayithi, and le mali le ayitholayo akayenzi grocery, akayithengi grocery. Ne-maintenance le akhuluma ngayo aka-maintenance, umtshini lo sigeza ngayo uwashini, umtshini uyi-1 ukuthi wenza unumber 1 unumber 2 uyageza, and iwashini yakhona ayikho clean, ngoba you understand kumele ukuthi kube nesnooze nalo gezayo nalo dryer. If unogogo olapha yawashona, then bathatha lezo mpahla siyazihlamba thina, sihlamba sithi elaundry, basiqeda uzihlamba maybe sihlala 3 months. After 3 months bazidistributor, maybe singanikeza ugogo thile ilokho ezithu, singanikeza ubaba umthulu izikipa ezithu, ababathengeli impahla, ababathengeli impahla athi uthanda. Thothi sithina sikhathele nale mali abasiholisa yona ukuthi basiholise 900 rand, we understand, and senze imisebenzi yethu i-laundry and cleaning.
Udade Bo-Alina Chache ubekweliziko ukususela ngo-2018. Usixelela ngenxalenye yemicelimngeni yosapho lwakhe okoko udade wabo wathi waba ngumhlali kweli khaya.
Gore ba ba tshwara sentle bona, ene le go ja ga ba je sentle. So ene o swaka a ne re simolola ke ke jarepe ne re misa ko teng kwa ba tsere di-particular tsa gage tse tsotlhe ke ntho ene yang kwatisa le go feta. Nna ntse ke dutse le a re bo July ke se ke jara e fela ke botsa social worker go tla ke bone buka ya gore ntse le patela buka ntse sa patela e lapsitse ka rasa ko old age ka rasa ra ina tswa di tšhelete di tshwarwa ke ngwetsi ya gage gore wa takitse. Tšhelete ya bone ya pension ke yone patelang ko old age. E ba re ko nna rona mo gae family tshwantse modimo ga tšhelete otlhe ya pension re ntse gape 600 modimo ga e ya pension.
U-anti kaMnumzana Rama unama93 ubudala. Naye ugcinwe eMhlakeng Old Age Home.
First time ha ke ne ke visitela old age ne re etsa di appointment. We make an appointment, a re tla re approach wa ke social worker. Then ra dula mo holong, ha re le mo holong ba re ba ilo re tsela yene. Then I refused. Then I said, no, I want to see the condition it's a le mo tsone ne. Then social worker ya ntsenya ko, I think, which is the owner, ke manager. Then we spoke to the manager mplela. Then aba highlight something say nna ke ne ke se a worker sone a re monna wa makala gore why ba beile mosadi mogolo o sa boneng, a blind woman ko ali one ko roomong.
Naye uvumelana noluvo lokuba ukuba iMhlakeng prototype 20 ibisebenza baninzi abahlali ebebeza uxhamla kuquka no-anti wakhe.
If really ngabeloko, I think really, yeah, hari atseba something ihofa a wonderful impression how tsena ka yone. You look at outside, it's so beautiful outside ne. I think even ngabeloko, that white elephant, even ngabe say a white elephant, if something can be done by that white elephant, we should know really for so many years. Not even a single motomotona olinko yone. The risen king what was the main purpose how that thing should be built.
Ngalemini abahlali babuthelene ndawonye befuna ukuqonda ngokunqunyanyiswa kwenxalenye yabasebenzi. uNtombizodwa Mahlangu ngumhlali netshantliziyo eMhlakeng.
Isive indaba yokuthi ogogo badliwa ngamagundwane. sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kanjani ukuthi ogogo badliwe ngamagundwane ngapha umuntu uxotha abantu.
Kunabomagogo abadliwe amagundwane, and then this place ukuya lapha ine bathini kune dumping done by community, which is we are trying to address that dumping side.
Sidibene noceba umnumzana Philile Faku, sifuna ukuqonda ngamanyathelo awathathileyo ukuzama ukuqonda ngezi zityholo.
Figure kwam like to make sure ukuthi no, let's not burn and do other things, but things must be resolved. But we believe ukuthi we like HODs from social development, we labor, they must come on, they must resolve that. About workers now, they are no more have a trust with officials, social development, labor, and others.
We become surprised now. Community igxothwa. Kuyolandwa AP community because of, I think ukuthi the majority of the community eqashwe apha ngabahlala apha eduze abazoyenza take care, baza assistana ne-security ukuthi i-old age home ingaphulo. Asizanga apha ngempi, size apha ngokuthi nje sizoncedisa amalungelo abanye angahlukunyezwa.
Good day, ma'am. It's Ruby again from SABC.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
You said I should call back after 30 minutes.
I think you were speaking to my colleague. Please just hold.
Okay.
Silinde sancama. Ziye zafana mthanyana inzame zethu zokwenza udliwano ndlebe nabaphathi beliziko. Isebe lenhlalonhle yoluntu lichitha izigidi ngezigidi kwesisakhiwo minyaka le. Kungoku nje isebe lityhola umasipala ngalameko. Kudliwane ndlebe neMorning Live elisebe lithethe lenjenje.
Let me start by saying that this prototype was implemented by Rand West Municipality. But it is now a challenge that the very municipality that has implemented this project is unable to give us the necessary occupancy certificate, which would give the right to occupy the building. And I must indicate that without that, as a department, we cannot take the risk of bringing in people who would be living there 24 hours without us having those documents, because as you would know, you need to ensure that the health and safety of beneficiaries is ensured in totality when you occupy the building.
Sithumele i-email kumasipala iWest Rand sibuza ukuba kutheni ethabethe ixesha elide kangaka ukunika isebe lenhlalonhle yoluntu amaxwebhu afunekayo.
Are you aware of an incident where staff members were summarily fired this week because they actually highlighted the plight of some of the people living there, where people had been bitten by rats at that facility?
I'm not aware, but what I will do is that I would also find out from maybe with this Randfontein being in the spotlight. Perhaps I will be in a position to also get about the other facility. But I know about Mohlakeng Old Age Home, but I haven't heard about the story of staff that were fired because of them having blown a whistle about the incident that has taken place there.
Nane kupa gore government e eme ka moto e ba isetse ka kwa. And ang kumukala ka wa o ile go lana ka bomkrasi ene me te.
Bagolo ba sokola mo ke nagana mo entšha e la gona gore bagolo ba ka sokola ene ke nagana gore bagolo ba tseiwe ba botlhe ba iseng go centeng e go sena fela management ya bona because of wa sotlhana re batla a new management. Nxa ingabe abogogo aba bayasuswa apha bayisokula old age home because nxa uthatha abantwana uthatha nayo yonke into. What about the workers? uyavisisa loo nto leyo because already this one ikwi-social development and iyafundwa andisho ine-funding yayo for the number of the people abasebenza kuyo.
Ingaphaya kwama-20 ezigidi imali echithiweyo kusakhiwa eli ziko.
I've been cutting like this. I've pledged. I've shaved my hair like this to say till the grannies come. Then I will go back to the younger me. But when you see me, you see a conversation of an elderly person. What are you mad? Then I will tell you, nah, I want us to talk about elderly people. Do you know there's a place that elderly people should be there and all that? We are young. We cannot have this way throwing bombs, stones and all that. We have an artistic way of showing that we want progress. So till Bokoko Wangena la Gulekate, I'll be a chama boy again. But fortunately, Konamaji, Aluta continue, the struggle continues. I will never sleep peacefully till Bokoko Wangena.
A second nuti, Saliki Sukhila second nuti. Marikele te a kaikele te inda. Guko. Wat moet ek maak?
Ethembeni lokuba abasemagunyeni bazawuzisombulula ezingxaki zombethe amakhaya wabantu asele bekhulile khona ukuze baphile ubomi obundilisekileyo nobukhuselekileyo kwiminyaka yabo yokugqibela besidla amazimba.